So I received these wall sconce lights in the mail in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. This is everything that comes in the package. You got the lampshades, the lights themselves, some remotes, and various things to hang them on the wall. Everything seems to be of high quality, and it does come with a charging cable. So let's put it on the wall and see how it looks. Okay, so the way that you put this together is you take one of these lamp covers. You're going to find the side that has the holes notched out like that. That's going to be the top side. And you take this fixture here, make sure the holes are pointed down like this, and you're just going to attach these little clips to this rod, making sure that the holes line up just like that. And you're going to do that all the way around. And on the back side, you're going to see that there's a Velcro strip that attaches the whole thing straight down. Just like that. For the bottom side, you're going to want this raised part to be facing upward. So this will go in just like this on the bottom. Just clip it all the way around. And then make sure that that Velcro strip lines up perfectly. Then you're going to take that other hardware and you're going to attach that to your wall. Then once you have the hardware on the wall, you're going to just slide this over the 2 screws that are poking out. Just like that. You're going to take this magnet and peel off one side. Attach it to that little circular thing inside that light fixture. Then take this metal plate. Peel off the sticker on that as well, and attach that to your little LED light. Then just attach this to your magnet in the lamp, and it's good to go. Then using the remote, you can turn down the light if you want, or turn it all the way up. But you can also change the color, which is very cool. I'm going to turn the lights out in the room, that way you can see this that much better. Alright, so here they are on max brightness. Here's red, green, and blue. You can also have them cycle between the colors, or fade between the colors, or this other one kind of flashing between the colors. In addition to that, you have a timer function as well, and depending on how many times you push that button, it adjusts how long the lights will stay on for. Even with the lights on in the room, I really like these lights on as well. Just adds a nice ambiance to the room. I love that these are rechargeable too. You're just going to take that out, plug it in right there, and it'll charge right up, and then just stick it back in. Yeah, really easy lighting. I think it adds a nice look to our house. I really like them. I recommend them. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.